Hi everyone, when I am bored at home, I like to cooking and delicious snacks, Salchipapas. It is very easy. For this need ingredient for this recipe we need a few potatoes, several sauces, a lot of vegetables, a lot of oil, a little salt, some ketchup, and any other sauce you like. Preparation introduction. First, first heat a lot of oil in fried the potatoes until they are golden and crispy, and a little salt. Next, chop the suckers. I am using several paste today. Fry the suckers for a few minutes until they are brown. Put everything on a plate and mix this together. Finally, and some ketchup at the top. Do you have any? You can add that too. And and that and that it's a perfect snack for the boring afternoon. Enjoy.